Number 20. This is the last question. Intersecting lines R, S, and T are shown below. What is the value of x? Okay. So this x is on the opposite side of an unlabeled angle. I'm just going to call this y. And we have 106 opposite an unlabeled angle. I'm going to call this z. X plus y, since they are both complementary angles, they're going to add up to 180. 106 and z will do the same thing to add up to 180. The 23 internal angle plus z plus y also add up to 180. So we have several equations that we can use to solve for x. So let's see what we can figure out. We know that 106 plus z is equal to 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 106, which means that z is equal to, math in my head, 74. So we know that 74 degrees goes in there. So we also know that 23 plus this 74 plus the unknown angle y is equal to 180. Rewriting this, we know that y is equal to 180 minus 23 minus 74. So y is going to equal 83. So 83 is that angle. The last thing we need to figure out is the value of x. So we know that x plus 83 is going to equal 180. So x equals 180 minus 83. So x equals 97. 9, 7. 9, 7 get bubbled. And that's it.